very on-road category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the application is on the higher options and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and privileges, etc. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.